When you first walk up, one thing that does catch your eye is the curb appeal from this very nice large porch. The thing I notice is when you come in through the front door here, it does feel a little tight. The thing nice about where the second bedroom is because it's kind of got this little offshoot here. You know, it's not your main focal point when you come into the home itself, and you know, it gives a little bit more privacy to the guest. The second bath here, it's not an ensuite to bed 2, so it definitely acts like the restroom, if you will, for guests all around. This flex room doesn't have a closet, so it's more of a dining space or a traditional office space. So here in the entry from the garage and the laundry room, you have this optional drop zone, which is actually pretty nice. And then your kind of standard laundry room. This storage, I forgot to film, but it is large and it is nice. The whole area here felt very big. It was nice, it was open. A lot of natural light came in through the window. Pantry was great. It truly was a good size. HVAC system inside, good for Florida. Now this lanai was actually pretty big. Because it is sitting on one side of the house, just be mindful of what's going on to the neighbors on either side of you. Whatever side your lanai is on, just be mindful of how everything's kind of falling into place around you. And then over here coming into the owner's suite, it's nice that you can't see directly in from the kind of all the common area. A large owner's suite. The owner's bath and walk-in closet was also large.